A roadside stand, poem number 5. The poem has been written by Robert Frost. Let us see the poem. It is on page number 100. Just pay attention. The little old house was out with a little new shade. The poem starts with the description of a little house. There was a small house, and the house was open with a little new shade, and there was a shade at the house. The shade was also a little. So again I am repeating, the poem begins with the description of a house. The house is old, the house is very small, the house is open, and there is a shade at the house. And why it is shade? For the selling the vegetables and some other things. And where the house is situated, in front, at the edge of the road. At the edge means border. The house is situated at the border of a road. It is highway, and at the border of the highway, at the border of the road, the house is situated. Where the traffic sped is the past of speed. The traffic means vehicle were going very fast in speed. So this is the situation of the house. Generally, we can see this type of things. When we go through the highway, then we can see some houses at the border of the houses. Left here, right side, we can see some houses. These are the houses of poor people, and what poor people are doing? They are living in the houses, and they put a shade, and under the shade they also start a kind of shop, and they sell some vegetables and some other things. A roadside stand, it is called roadside stand. I hope you understand what is a roadside stand. A roadside stand is a kind of shop which we can get at the highway, at the border of the highway. Generally, poor people sell the things. That too pathetically played. And the condition of roadside stand was not so good. Too pathetically. Pathetically means pitiful. Too means very. The condition of the house was very, very pitiful. Played as if the people of the houses are requesting. It would not be fair to say for a doll for bread, but yes, they are requesting, but they are not, it is not the proper thing if we say that they were asking for the charity, or they were asking for alms. They were not asking for alms. A doll of bread means alms. They were not asking for alms. Yes, their condition was very bad, pitiful. But for some of the money, but they were asking, they want to sell something, and in this way they want to get money. But for some of the money, the cash, they want to get some money in the form of cash, whose flow supports. Flow means the vehicles, those vehicles who were passing near their houses, and they wanted the support of those people, rich people. The flower of city, flower means here the rich people. The poor people, they wanted some support of the rich people, and poet is making comparison of rich people with flower. But which type of flowers? The flower of cities means the rich people of cities. from sinking, sinking means falling, and withering fan, and shrinking and declining. This is the condition of the rich people of the city. Why? Because they are not helping the poor people who are living at the roadside, and that's why poet is telling that they are like sinking and withering, that type of flower. The polished means those rich people, they are very polished person. They are going through a polished car. Traffic pass, polished traffic pass means their cars are shining and they are going with a mind ahead. Mind ahead means going straightly. The rich people in their cars, when they are going on the road, they are not looking here or there. They are not looking at the houses of poor people. They are going straight. Or if ever aside a moment, and if sometimes if they see to the side, then out of sort, then they irritate. Out of sort means irritate. Why they irritate? Irritate means they don't like to see the houses of poor people, the small shops of poor people. They become angry. They irritate at having the landscape marred, because they are perhaps thinking that poor people are spoiling the beautiful landscape. And having the landscape marred, landscape means view, marred means spoiled. With the artless paint, artless means wrong. They are perhaps thinking, the rich people are perhaps thinking that poor people are spoiling the whole scenery by their houses, because their houses are painted in a very bad manner. And rich people do not want to see the houses of poor people. Or size, that with n turned wrong and s turned wrong. And the rich people also see the signboards. And the signboards are also wrong. Why? Of signs that with n turned wrong. N means north. Perhaps instead of north direction, it is written south direction. And instead of south direction, it is written north direction on the boards. So that's why also the rich people do not like to see at poor people. They are only interested to see the beautiful scenery, the mountains, etc. Offered for sale wild berries. What the poor people were selling? The poor people who shops at the road, they are selling wild berries, means the berries from the forest, in wooden squads. Squads means containers. They are selling berries which are in wooden containers. Or crooked-necked golden squash, that is also the name of vegetable. And the shape of that vegetable is crooked, means bent. And they are also selling. And the color is golden. And the layer of that vegetable is silver. Silver bars means silver layer. You have the money. Now let us see the important line. Poor people are telling that you have the money. Oh rich people, you have the money. But if you want to be mean means if you not want to spend the money, why keep your money? Then why are you keeping your money? This crossly means angrily. Poor people are thinking angrily in this way, that oh rich people, if you do not want to spend money, then why you keep money? And go ahead and you go straight forwardly. Go straight. And now poet is telling that the hurt to the scenery would not be my complaint. Poor people are hurting the scenery. They are spoiling the whole scene. That is not my complaint, poet Robert Frost is telling. So much as trusting sorrow of what is unsaid, but poet wants to say about the unhappiness of the poor people which is not spoken, which is not said by anyone, and that is the main thing poet wants to say. Here far from the city we make our roadside stand. Now poor people are telling, what they are telling, that here far from the city, from very far, from very remote of the city, we make our roadside stand. What we are doing? We are making our roadside stand, means shops under the shade, and ask for money, and ask for some city money, and we expect some money from the city people to fill in hand, so we can fill in our hand some money. We do not want the money in free. We want to sell something, and behalf of that we want to fill some money in our hands from the city people, and we are the rural people, poor people, to try if it will not make our being expand, and we are trying to improve our lives so we can live our lives in better way. Being expand means live in better way. We want to improve our lives and give us the life of the moving pictures promise. We want to live that type of life which can be seen in the movies, in the theaters. Moving pictures means in films, in pictures. Generally, in films we can see that type of life, and we want to live that type of life. Which type of life? Which is very prosperous. That the party in power means politician who have the authority, who have the power, is said to be keeping from us. Keeping from us means prevent. They want, such politician want to prevent us from the progress. They are not interested in our development. They are not interested in our progress. They want to prevent and stop our progress. Who? Politician. The people who have some power. It is in the news, and we have listened or seen in the news that all these pitiful kin means relative, but here pitiful kin means poor people. Poet is telling that I have read in the news that all these poor people are to be bought out. The rich people are forcing them, and the poor people have to leave their place where they are living. And mercifully, they are doing. The rich people are doing this thing mercifully, without any pity. Are to be bought out and mercifully gathered in to live in villages. The rich people are making a drama. The politicians are making a drama. Here not rich people, but we can say politician. They are making a drama, and they are showing their sympathy, their mercy for the poor people. In reality, they have no any type of mercy. They have no any type of kindness for the poor people. And what they are doing? They are gathering the poor people to live in villages, and they want to settle the poor people in the villages, where the village next to the theater and the store, and the village might be near the theater or near the store. There will be some shops near the village where they won't have to think for themselves anymore. And here the poor people have to not think anything about their lives. While greedy good doers, greedy means here greedy people means politician. Good doers, it is used for politician. Politician who are greedy but they are making drama as if they are doing very good work. Beneficent, as if they are making some advantage, they are giving some advantage or benefit to the poor people. Beast of prey, but they are wild animals. They are like wild animals. Politicians are like wild animals. Swarm over their lives, who are forcing the poor people over their lives, enforcing benefits. Forcefully they are giving benefits to the poor people. They are calculated, but they are very calculated. The rich people are very calculated, because behind all these things they want to get some benefit. They are calculated to soothe them. In this way they wanted to calm the poor people of their wits, out of their wits means stop thinking. They are making the thinking procedure of poor people stop, and they are making the poor people calm by showing all these things, by showing the benefits and etc. And by teaching them how to sleep. They sleep all day, and now they are teaching the poor people about good sleep. They are telling that we take a good sleep, healthy sleep, and you will also get a good sleep. Destroy their sleeping at night the ancient way, and in this way actually in reality they are destroying the sleep of poor people in the ancient way, means in the old manner, in the old way. Old way means the familiar way. Generally we have seen that the rich people will give some benefit to the poor people, and after that the rich people will get double benefit from the poor people. That is the old trick, old way, ancient way. So in this way the rich people are doing with poor people.
Thank you.